From LTIMindtree Ltd, Coal India, to Vedanta, here are 10 stocks to watch. Stocks to watch today, January 5th. Discover why stocks like LTIMindtree Ltd, Coal India, and Vedanta are trending today. Check the latest market updates and invest smartly. Stocks to watch on January 5th, 2026. LTIMindtree LTIMindtree Ltd is betting big on BlueVerse, its AI-native ecosystem designed to accelerate enterprise transformation. It brings together intelligent agents, modular architecture, and built-in trust, providing everything companies need to move from AI concept to value, across current systems and at scale. Reliance Industries and ONGC. The United States has captured the oil-rich country, Venezuela. This may help unlock $1 billion in long-pending dues for India's state-run hydrocarbon explorer ONGC Videsh OVL, and accelerate crude production from the fields in the Latin American country, where it has an equity interest. In addition, Reliance Industries is also likely to benefit from the Venezuelan oil supplies, as it could gather pace under a 15-year crude contract with Petróleos de Venezuela PDVSA. Larsen & Toubro. Larsen & Toubro Ltd said its minerals and metals M&M vertical has secured major orders from the Steel Authority of India SAIL and other customers, for EPC projects and products in the domestic metals sector. In L&T parlance, major orders mean those between Rs 5,000 to Rs 10,000 crore. Coal India. The state-run miner Coal India opened up its e-auction to buyers from Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal after recent years of reforms in the coal sector, such as commercial coal mining by the private sector and free open market sale from captive mines, have produced a surplus in the market. With last summer being moderate, the demand for coal from the thermal power sector has been subdued, resulting in surplus fuel stocks at Pithheads. Samvardhana Motherson. Mobile phone enclosures emerged as the biggest focus area as the government on Friday cleared 22 projects under the Electronics Components Manufacturing Scheme ECMS worth Rs 41,863 crore, with homegrown Tata Electronics and the Motherson Group, along with Foxconn's India Armujan Technology, leading the list of beneficiaries. NTPC. National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC is in talks to buy a minority stake in US-based nuclear fuel technology company Clean Core Thorium Energy CCTE. In response to a BSE query, the public sector company stated that it continuously explores investment opportunities in both domestic and international markets. Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank reported steady growth in loans and deposits for the quarter ended December 31, 2025 Q3 FY26, with a continued shift towards retail deposits, even as low-cost CASA balances declined year-on-year. According to the bank's provisional business update, loans and advances, including pass-through certificates PTC, rose 10% year-on-year to Rs 1.45 lakh crore as of December 31, 2025, compared with Rs 1.32 lakh crore a year earlier. Total deposits increased 11.1% YoY to Rs 1.57 lakh crore from Rs 1.41 lakh crore in the corresponding period last year. Vedanta. Vedanta announced its production results for the third quarter and 9 months ended December 31, 2025, reporting record output across multiple businesses. In aluminium, the company recorded its highest ever quarterly aluminium production at 620 kilotons, up 1% year-on-year, and alumina production at 794 kilotons, up 57%. For the 9-month period, aluminium production stood at 1,842 kilotons, up 1%, while alumina production rose 32% year-on-year to 2,034 kilotons. V2 Retail. V2 Retail reported a robust performance in its third quarter business update, driven by higher revenue and store expansion. The company's standalone revenue rose 57% YoY to Rs 927 crore during the December quarter. The growth was supported by steady demand across its core markets and continued focus on expanding its physical retail footprint. V2 Retail reported same-store sales growth of 2% on a year-on-year basis. SPML Infra said it has received an intimation of a surety bond limit of Rs 159 crore from a reputed insurer registered with the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India IRDAI. The bond limit will enable SPML Infra to enhance its participation in tenders and provide security in place of bank guarantees for contract awards as required. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.